everyone, Greg here. Well, today we are at IKEA. And you know what? I have never tried the IKEA meatballs before. Can you believe it? No, neither can I. So today I thought, you know what? How about we go into the restaurant, buy the meatballs, see what they look like, see what they taste like, see how much they cost, and give them a score out of 10. Anyway, let's spend the next 2 hours trying to find it. And when we do, let's get some meatballs. Come on. Well, here we go. The IKEA meatballs. How good do they look? Wow! Now these meatballs you see on the plate with the mashed potatoes, gravy and lingonberries cost $8.50. Or you can get 20 meatballs for $10. Now the meatballs nowadays are made out of pork and beef. In the old days they were made using horse meat or traces of it. So let's try the non-horse meat meatballs from IKEA. Let's go. Nice and soft. They taste like little tiny mini rissoles. I can definitely taste some onion in there. Not overly salty, but quite nice in flavour. And if you're old, don't worry about your dentures falling out. You'll probably be able to suck them through a straw. Okay, well, how about we try them as a mix with all the other ingredients. The berries, oops, the gravy, and the mash. Oh, that takes it to another dimension. The sweetness of those berries, the saltiness of that gravy, the texture of the mashed potato mixed with those meatballs. Wow, I'm diving in again. That is good stuff. Wow. I'm really rocking these meatballs. I just want to shove every ball in my mouth and roll them around and suck the juice right out of them. But I'll do that later because, you know what, I think I've had enough of them now to know what score I'm going to give them out of 10. Value-wise, $8.50. You know, that's not a bad looking size meal. I'd be happy to finish that off and I wouldn't be full, but I wouldn't be hungry. So that's pretty good value for money. Flavour-wise, the meatballs on their own, yeah, a bit iffy. Not too sure, but all the other ingredients, yeah, I mean, it's not fantastic food, but it's not bad at all. It's pretty good. But when you mix that all together, it becomes something that is out of this world. Not quite as far as Mars, but maybe just to the moon. It's pretty good stuff, and I like it. So, for all over value, all over taste, all over flavour, all over everything, IKEA, for your meatballs, I'm giving you 6.8 out of 10. Although, when you mix all these ingredients together, it becomes a taste sensation and is worth a good solid 8.6 out of 10. So what's my recommendation? Well, if you're willing to go through the grind of coming to IKEA and finding your way to the restaurant, give the IKEA meatballs a go. They taste really good and they're pretty good value for money as well. Do you like IKEA meatballs? What's your favourite meal at IKEA? Is it the meatballs or is it the salmon? Maybe you like the halal section. I don't know. Let me know down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time for my next review. Catch you then.
Oh yeah.